Sit for 20 minutes to really breathe, and then you'll come in and kill it.
Well, the first time your phone's ever been easy.
In 1 minute, you can start those. Yes, Ruby?
Sorry, I got
Which one?
Okay, perfect. Fine.
210.
Okay, you should be sit for 20 minutes to really breathe,
Okay.
and then you'll come. 1 minute, you can start those. Yes, Ruby?
For 10 minutes.
That's good. That's 60 minutes, so...
Well, yeah, it's
Oh,
a
it's
P6.
One more time, sorry. Awesome.
Let me check. It says 324 on there?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Great.
Just kind of sweep down from here, and it's to about the toilet. And if you have to step out.
Completely blow up our order here. So C83 stands for 05 locations. Now, you've only got 2 that are on this seat, and then...
Is that a big risk?
Don't necessarily want to. We want to get accurate test data.
This is wipes
It's
down.
average.
201 and 227.
Okay.
We're going to have, from a microbiologist standpoint who studied disease all my life, the safest flying experience you can have today. I'm Dr. Charles Gerba, and what I've done for the last 30 years is studied how viruses move through the environment and transmitted from one person to the next. What we're doing with Boeing is evaluating innovative strategies really to control the spread of SARS-CoV-2 in aircraft. It's really exciting working on this project because we're actually able to put a live virus in an aircraft and then demonstrate we can inactivate and kill this virus.
This is unprecedented. The live virus MS2 testing is something we've never done before. MS2 is a surrogate virus that we're using here. It's innocuous to humans, it's safe and easy to use, and in fact it's harder to kill than SARS-CoV-2. A lot of our researchers, scientists, and engineers have tested a number of these solutions in the lab, and they've gathered some pretty good results, and what we're doing is taking that another step further and really validating those results in a representative space.
All the items we tested performed very well against SARS-CoV-2. We've demonstrated this works in real aircraft, and it totally minimizes your exposure to SARS-CoV-2.
This is an integral part of our confident travel multi-layered approach. The testing that we're doing here is really boosting confidence in ensuring that we keep our airplanes clean, safe, and sanitary.
We're not just showing we can kill things, we're showing that it's going to be safer to travel tomorrow.